Alright, so today we're going to do Commodore 64 G.I. Joe from 1985, or 84 it says here. But anyway, it's a pretty cool game because they actually let you be a bunch of characters. So let's pop it in here. I will spare everybody the load times, so I'll cut it while it's loading because the load times are long on these things, as you know. Fire it up. We got the classic blue Commodore screen, and I'm using Master System controllers because they're a lot more comfortable than the Atari ones for this. So let's load the game up. Boom. Alright. There's the screen using the cartoon theme song. Alright, let's see what happens here. Alright, let's go over here. It gives you different choices of countries every time, so I'm not sure who they will let us use here. Zartan, Destro, Baroness, Firefly, those are the options here. Clutch, Wild Bill, I remember this guy. G.I. Joe. There are other levels where you can use more people, but I guess they didn't give us that as an option. This is all load screen. As you can see, the light over here is on. Hello. Oh, it shoots the pretty vintage graphics. Oh, I'm already dead. Yay. Anyway, this is just one out of the many games that you can play. Definitely can tell it's from the 80s. This used to be awesome back in the day. It's pretty cool to revisit it. I want to shoot here. Let's see if I can get any of the other video game modes to load. So here are some of the other characters I was trying to get loaded up, which I thought was pretty cool. They really give you a nice array of, you know, not too popular characters to use. So I like that. I don't know what happens out. There's different game modes, so I'm sure there's even others that I'm not even sure about. But Snake Eyes. Let's see what happens. Turn the disc over. Anyway, I'm trying to film with one hand and play with another. You can get the idea, basically. It's just a mini game. You shoot each other. There's a lot of mini games in this G.I. Joe game, but, you know, it's all about the nostalgia of it. Hope you guys liked the video.